Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Together, we're about to embark on a fascinating voyage of discovery into manufacturing innovation. I'm Tom, your guide to introducing Mitsubishi Electric MaiLab, a powerful data science tool to the manufacturing industry. In today's fast-paced world, where data science is evolving at an incredible rate, many companies find themselves at a crossroads. They want to benefit from data analytics in manufacturing, but specialized knowledge becomes a roadblock. And this is precisely where MaiLab comes in. It offers exceptionally effective solutions to many of your manufacturing data analysis challenges. Developed by Mitsubishi Electric, MaiLab is designed to bridge the gap between complex data science and everyday manufacturing operations. MaiLab is a versatile tool that operates on the edge level between the production environment and the cloud. What sets MaiLab apart is its ability to handle both offline data analysis and online diagnosis in a single software suite. This means that the learning model derived from data analysis can be seamlessly applied directly to the production site. Take a look at this MaiLab optimization example, where a simple robot positioning operation was analyzed, diagnosed, and integrated, resulting in remarkable speed and efficiency improvements. Now, envisage the possibility of effortlessly implementing this solution across all your production lines. And compare that to the past, when experienced engineers had to precisely program every robot position individually. Thanks to MaiLab, this is no longer necessary. Sounds good, right? Whether you're an experienced data analyst or someone new to this technology, MaiLab is designed to help you work more effectively. It simplifies the process, making data analysis and diagnostics accessible to everyone. And there you have it, a glimpse into the future of manufacturing with MaiLab. Stay tuned for more episodes as we delve deeper into the capabilities of this powerful technology. Until next time, keep innovating.